Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. This is another tutorial how-to. It's a really quick and easy hack to get dresses and rompers and pieces of clothing that are supposed to cover your entire body to fit you. I don't know about you guys, but yes, I do wear a size like 2 extra small. And the fact that I am a very small C cup does sometimes get in the way of dresses and rompers and things like that fitting me. I don't know who these brands choose as their fit models, but I find it very, very common that just clothing just doesn't fit us. So today's hack is going to show you how to customize rompers to fit your body. Today's video is sort of an homage to a video that I did before I started my channel, and I actually uploaded it about two and a half years ago, before I started my channel here, KWSHOPS, and I'm actually going to link it down below just because I think it is a really good tip, and I just did not like the production quality of it. I am still going to leave it up for you guys to enjoy, but basically, yeah, that's what I look like in 2015. If you are new to my channel, most of the content that I do is about luxury designer handbags. I work for a luxury reseller, and it's actually my job to put a dollar value onto handbags once they reach us. So most of my videos are about the pre-loved luxury market in general, as well as shopping tips on how to save money, because I love splurging out on a good handbag just like the next girl, but I want to do it in the most cost-effective way possible, and I'm sharing my tips here with you. So please subscribe if that interests you, and yes, now I'm going to get started. So the romper that I'm using today is the same one from the original video. I just happen to really, really love palm tree print, and that's my favorite print, so I immediately had to jump on that romper. Unfortunately, it is no longer available, but I was able to get another one in the same design with a different pattern a couple of years later. So I feel like this is a recurring piece that they do add to the H&M collection. I bought it for about $39.99 back then, but they do go on sale. I'm a sucker for palm print, so I bought it at full price, which I never do, especially at H&M. So you can use this on both dresses and rompers, and it's just a little quick adjustment to get the garment to fit on you better than it would. This H&M romper, it is a size 2 H&M. Normally at H&M I'm a size 4, but the 2 actually fit me a lot better in this style because it was a lot more fitted to my waist and to my hips. So, but the bust area was way, way, way too small. As you can see here, when I went to zip up this romper that I loved, it was squeezing my bust area in way, way too much. It was uncomfortable. It was inappropriate looking, and I'm sorry that I even have to show you that, but I do just want you guys to get an idea of sort of what I'm talking about when it comes to how we're going to be adjusting the romper today. So the trick is really simple, really easy. All I'm going to do, as you can see, is just zip it up to the point where it no longer feels comfortable, and just tuck in the 2 sides, and voila! I would definitely, as a tip, stick to items that do fit you perfectly in your waist. Your waist area is actually the part that is holding up the romper, but the best thing is, since the area where you zip it is where it is now at its tightest point, it does tend to stay up. When I do this, and I have been doing this for at least 2 or 3 years now, it does stay up all day, and as you can see, no one is the wiser. It doesn't look like you've adjusted it. The best part is that there is no sewing alterations or money required to spend. I don't really have the patience to tailor my clothes. As I get older and as I get, more high quality stuff, I think that may be a route that I go towards in the future, but at this point I sort of just want things to fit off the rack, and this has been a tip that has really, really helped me in being able to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried it and what works out for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!